Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today is a little bit different because I'm going to be doing a review of one of these detox products by SkinnyMint. So I'm sure you guys have been seeing some of these detoxes, they're all over Instagram, and if you're wanting to know an honest review about the product, then keep watching this video. So this is what the package comes with. It's a 28-day cleanse, so it has the morning boost, which is in the pink, and it has 28 tea bags, and then here is the night cleanse, which you do every second day, so it has 14 tea bags. The morning one is to help boost energy and kickstart your day, and the night cleanse is really good, so you have it every second night, and then it has like a laxative effect, so the next day you just flushes out your system, gets rid of any of the toxins, any of the bad macas or cheat meals you've been having, and they basically just look like this. They're color coordinated. The pink one here is the morning boost, and the blue one is the night cleanse. So I'm just going to go through the steps of using the tea, and then I'm just going to let you know my thoughts and opinions at the end of this video. So this one here is the morning boost. This one is probably my favorite. I love the taste of it. It's more like a herbal kind of tea. So basically while I'm making breakfast, I'll make one of these morning boost teas. I soak it for 4 to 5 minutes, and I add just a teaspoon of honey just to add a little bit of sweetness to it. So it does contain caffeine, so they do recommend that you substitute this for your daily coffee. Lucky for me, I don't really drink coffee, so tea is my best friend. And since I did this cleanse during February, there are a lot of hot mornings, so what I did was I let the tea cool, and then I put it in some ice cubes, and voila, perfect iced tea. Now the ingredients in this tea is green tea leaf, a blend of herbs, so including mate leaf, nettle leaf, dandelion leaf, and guarana seed. So you have one of the morning boosts every single morning for 28 days, and then you alternate every second night with the night cleanse. This is the night cleanse here. All the tea bags have got this blue label on them. Now because this contains an ingredient that has a laxative effect, they do recommend that you only soak the bag for 2 to 3 minutes. This one definitely has a stronger taste. The ingredients in this are really good for you. It's got ginger root, lemongrass leaf, peppermint leaf, licorice root. So all of this stuff is really good and definitely helps cleanse your body. Now I know a lot of people look on Instagram and they think that all of these detoxes and supplements are just going to make you lose weight overnight. That's definitely not what it does, and you shouldn't be deceived by all of these Instagram brands promote you losing weight overnight, because that's definitely not going to happen. I think SkinnyMint Tea was very good in helping with bloating, with energy, and just being an overall really good cleansing tea. I definitely think that having one of these every morning helps wake up my body and help refresh it and keep me energized throughout the day. I'll definitely recommend these to anyone who wants to try a natural and easy cleanse. Like I said, it's only for 28 days, so that's a good amount of time to just detox your body and get all the toxins out. And I have tried some other detoxes before, and most of them I have found that have kind of like just this gross, intense taste. But definitely I did not get that from either of these teas. Like I said, add a little bit of honey and it is just perfect. This is just to help promote a healthy lifestyle, along with a balanced diet and exercise and all of that stuff. You need to give your body all the good stuff so it can do exactly what it needs to do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative, and I'll see you guys in my next video.